Hello and welcome to our podcast, where we explore fascinating topics from the world of war science and technology. In today's episode, we will be discussing Lanchester's laws. The maths of war. Lanchester's laws are a set of mathematical equations developed by Frederick William Lanchester, a British engineer and mathematician, during World War I. These laws describe the behavior of two opposing forces in a military conflict, and they have based on the premise that the effectiveness of a military force is proportional to its size and firepower. The first law, known as linear law, states that the number of casualties inflicted by one side on the other is proportional to the square of the number of troops engaged. This law assumes that both sides have equal firepower and that the casualties are proportional to the number of troops. The second law, known as Lanchester's square law, takes into account differences in firepower between the two sides. It states that the effectiveness of a military force is proportional to the square of its firepower. This law assumes that both sides have equal numbers of troops and that the effectiveness of a force is proportional to its firepower. In the successive episodes, we shall discuss each of them along with their contemporary usage in great detail. Make sure to subscribe to never miss any episode. These laws have been used to model a wide range of conflicts, from ancient battles to modern warfare. They have been applied to air combat, naval warfare, and ground combat. The laws have also been used in business and economics to model competition between companies. One of the key insights of Lanchester's laws is that a larger force does not necessarily have an advantage in combat. If the opposing force has a significant advantage in firepower, a smaller force may still be able to inflict significant casualties. This was demonstrated in several historical battles, including the Battle of Thermopylae, where a small force of Spartans held off a much larger Persian army for several days. These laws have also been used to develop military strategy. For example, the laws suggest that a force should concentrate its firepower on the most vulnerable parts of the enemy's force in order to maximize its effectiveness. The laws also suggest that a force should avoid splitting its forces, as this can reduce its overall effectiveness. While Lanchester's laws have been influential in the study of military conflict, they have also been criticized for their simplifying assumptions. In reality, there are many other factors that can influence the outcome of a battle, such as terrain, weather, and the skill and morale of the troops. Make sure to subscribe to never miss the next episode on the first law. In conclusion, these laws are a set of mathematical equations that describe the behavior of two opposing forces in a military conflict. They provide valuable insights into the dynamics of warfare and have been applied to a wide range of conflicts, from ancient battles to modern warfare. While the laws have their limitations, they remain an important tool for understanding the mathematics of war. See you in the next episode.